Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll explain, step by step, how Zelle works in Honduras. Since Zelle is designed for US bank accounts, Honduran users can't access it directly, but there are practical ways to receive and use Zelle transfers. Let's get started. First, here's the limitation. Zelle only works with banks and credit unions in the United States. That means if you have a Honduran bank account only, you can't sign up directly with Zelle. However, there are two main workarounds Honduran users rely on. Option 1. Use a US bank account. If you maintain an account with a US bank that supports Zelle, you can enroll with your US phone number or email. When someone in the US sends you money through Zelle, the funds will go directly into your US account. From there, you can move the money to Honduras using an international transfer or an ATM withdrawal if you have a linked card. Option 2. Use a fintech or remittance service that integrates Zelle. Some digital wallets and payment providers in Latin America, including certain Honduran fintech platforms, let you receive money from US senders via Zelle. In these cases, the sender in the US makes a Zelle payment to the provider's account, and the service then credits your Honduran wallet or local bank account, usually charging a small fee. Always double-check the reputation and fees of any third-party service before using it, and start with a small transfer to test reliability. So in short, Zelle doesn't connect directly to Honduran banks, but you can still receive money if you have a US bank account or if you use a trusted fintech that bridges Zelle payments into Honduras. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.